Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 5-46R Lubricator Pawl 2 for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 5-46R Lubricator Pawl 2 for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Okay, we're going to go right plane, Sketch. Let's do a circle. It's going to be one circle there. I mean, I'll circle down there, but I'm not going to do that one. Actually, I'll do that one. Let me just do that one there. Okay, that's going to be a radius of... No, it's not. Sorry. It's going to be diameter of 5. And that's going to be one of 2.5. Nope, wrong one. 2. 2. There you go. Now we've got a... let's see now. Let's go line. It's going to start here. Going to start there, over to there, down, up a bit, down there, go back, going to curve around, up there, and it's going to curve and join. Okay. So I don't know whether that one's parallel, it's hard to tell. Let's work on the ones we can work on. We can work out straight away. That's going to be 5. Oh, sorry, 2.5. 2.5. That's better. Where's that circle gone? Put those two together. There you go. Now, from this point to this point down will be 0.3. The same 2 points sideways will be 2. This point, this point and hold on, before we do anything, let me get out of that one. Let me do, I should have done a corner there. There we go. So let me join them together. Join those two together. Let me get a trim. Just trim that off. Oh, sorry. Delete that one. Let me join those two together. There we go. Ah, I see. Don't need a line there. What's that line there for? Let me trim you out the way. Oh. Oh. There. Go and join them together. There we go. There we go. That's better. Yeah, the excess there. So we put these two are going to be tangent, and these two are going to be tangent. There we go. Now, if we do construction line from there to there, we're going to make those two is going to be parallel. There you go. Now, the reason I've done there's a curve there. It doesn't give me the dimension, but there's a curve there. But the reason I want that point there gives me a dimension from there to this point, which is 3.2. Ooh, that's terrible. Raise it up a bit. Can't. Can we bring that one back yet? We can, but ooh, that's terrible. Okay, let's do another dimension. This one here to there. It's going to be 10. That's a bit better, I guess. Ooh, it's a nice little thing. Let's go from this line to this circle construction line, then straight out construction line. Let's go a bit further. Now we're going to have smart dimension. Well, let's see the measurement. Lost it. Oh, so this line to this circle is going to be 5, and that's going to be this, and this line. What happened? Because that I delayed it for some reason. 5. Let's do a quick save. Now we want, what was it doing? Oh yeah, this 2 lines are going to be 30 degrees. Well, that changed things. These 2 lines are going to be tangent. Oh, the curved line, straight line, same with these 2 will be. I already done that one. Okay, that's cool. But still don't look right. There's something wrong. Because this one here should be. Whoa. Let's do another tangent. There we go. This should be up here somewhere. And this one should be this way. Oh, hold on. Hold on, let me delete that one. If we have got, I just realized it's from this point here. There you go. These 2 are together, make them join, and make them tangent. Put these 2 together. Oh, hold on. That's what's stuffing up. Let me delete that one. That was getting stuck on there. Aha, that's what. That dot was joined to there. I accidentally joined there. Make them tangent. Now that is 4. Arrays of 4. There we go. That's looking better. Put you there. Bring you down to there. Bring you down. Yeah, we just need this one here, which does not give it. But I'm gonna, what is that at the moment? So it's 0.5, which is looks about right. Yeah, it's not a big. It's only a small curve, that one. Whew, that's fun. Okay. I'm going to put you down there. Just try and organise this bit better. You end up doing a lot of organisation. Actually, let me do you there and you there. On the blueprints, you make it look better, but still doesn't hurt have. Oh, we don't have that far out. And that can come in. Oh, we're still in smart dimension. There we go. All right, just make sure it's fully defined. So we should be good. It's looking exactly how it's on the blueprints. So let's go feature, extrude, that is 4 mil thick. And we're going to do mid body and done. Woohoo! That is that part done. Bit of a headache there. That was my own part. Oh, let me spin that around there. All right, that's part 5-46R Lubricator Pawl 2 done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Does help me out and get notifications and cost you nothing. So I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.